to the Corsicana Independent School District. This video is designed to guide parents through the enrollment process for new students entering pre-kindergarten and kindergarten for the 2020-2021 school year. Parents, please visit the Corsicana Independent School District website at www.cisd.org to enroll your child today. Before navigating the enrollment forms, you may want to review important resources at the district website. Some of these resources can be found in the Parents and Community tab at the top of the screen. Although not required at this time, it will be helpful to have a few documents available to complete the enrollment process. These documents are proof of residency, your driver's license, the student's birth certificate and social security card, and the student's immunization records. If you choose to complete the enrollment forms without uploading these documents, then you will need to bring these items to your campus registrar before school begins in the fall. To enroll a new student for pre-kindergarten or kindergarten at the Corsicana Independent School District, you will need to click on the Parent Portal link on the Corsicana Independent School District website. This link can also be found in several locations on the Corsicana Independent School District website. In this video, we will click on the Parent Portal link in the Parents and Community tab. The Parent Portal link is located here with other helpful information you may want to review. This enrollment process is for new students enrolling at the Corsicana Independent School District. If your child attended the Corsicana Independent School District during the 2019-2020 school year, then you do not need to enroll them for the 2020-2021 school year. If this is the first child you are enrolling at the Corsicana Independent School District, then click on the Create Account link to create an account. If you have previously enrolled students at the Corsicana Independent School District, then you can log in with that account information. Once you have logged into your account, click on the Enroll a New Student link in the center of the page. If you cannot find this link, please go to the My Account icon located at the top right corner of the screen. You will work through 6 steps to enroll your student. You may save your information and return to the site at any time to complete the forms. To get started, enter your child's name as it appears on their birth certificate in step 1. Once this information is entered, you will press the blue Continue button at the bottom right side of your screen. In step 2, you will confirm the unique code that generates on the screen by typing the unique code in the text box. Then press the blue Continue button at the bottom right side of your screen. In step 3, you will complete your address and your child's family information. This address will be used to mail important information to you throughout the year. Please be sure to update your address information with your campus registrar if it changes. When you have completed the address and family information, please click the blue Continue button at the bottom right side of your screen. In step 4, you will complete personal information about your child. This information will help the Corsicana Independent School District serve your child, so it is important to complete the fields as accurately as possible. This step also has a section for you to upload the documents mentioned earlier. If you choose to complete the enrollment forms without uploading these documents, then you will need to bring these items to your campus registrar before school begins in the fall. When you complete this step, with the documents uploaded or not, please click on the blue Continue button at the bottom right side of your screen. In step 5, you will complete enrollment forms for your child. This information will help the Corsicana Independent School District serve your child, so it is important to complete the fields as accurately as possible. Once you complete each of the enrollment forms, please click the blue Enroll Student button at the bottom right side of your screen. Congratulations! You have successfully enrolled your child for the 2020-2021 school year. In step 6, you are able to print the forms you completed for your own records. The Corsicana Independent School District will receive this information electronically, so there is no need to print the forms for the school. From this screen, you may enroll another student if needed. When you are finished with this process, be sure to log out of the Parent Portal to keep your child's information secure. Please contact your child's campus registrar if you have any questions while completing your child's forms. Parents, we welcome you to the Corsicana Independent School District. We're excited to welcome the youngest members to the Corsicana Independent School District Tiger family.